Welcome to Neurodivergent by Design, a podcast for creatives, deep thinkers, and anyone navigating life a little differently. I'm Debbie, and each week I'll be sharing honest conversations, gentle strategies, and real experiences to help you create a life that works with your brain, not against it. Hello and welcome to Neurodivergent by Design. I'm Debbie, an artist, business owner, and someone who is neurodivergent, living with ADHD, autism, and dyslexia. This podcast is a space where we explore what it really means to live, create, and build a life that works with your brain, not against it. Because for so many of us, we've spent years feeling like we're doing things the wrong way. We struggle with focus, we get overwhelmed, we burn out, we start things and don't always finish them. And somewhere along the line, we start to believe that we're the problem. But what if we're not? For me, creativity has always been my anchor. I didn't always follow a creative path. Life took me in different directions. And for a long time, art was something I dipped in and out of. But during lockdown, I came back to drawing, and everything changed. I started drawing animals in coloured pencil, and over time I built a business around it, a community, tutorials, a membership. But behind the scenes, there were struggles, burnout, overwhelm, low energy days, moments where everything felt like too much. And that's when I realised I couldn't build a business or a life by forcing myself into systems that weren't designed for me. So what is this podcast about? So it's about doing things differently. It's about creating a business that works with your energy, finding calm in the chaos, building routines that are actually sustainable, navigating burnout and recovery, and embracing creativity as a form of support, not pressure. This is for you if you're neurodivergent, either diagnosed or self-identified, you're feeling overwhelmed, trying to keep up, you're creative or want to be, you're building something or dreaming of it. What you can expect. So each week I'll be sharing personal experiences, gentle strategies, honest conversations, and simple ways to make life feel a little lighter. No pressure, no perfection, just real supportive conversations. If you've ever felt like you don't quite fit into the way the world expects you to work, you're not broken. You're just wired differently. And maybe that's exactly how you're meant to be. If you enjoyed this episode, I'd love for you to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if this resonated with you, feel free to share it with someone who might need to hear it too. You can also find me over on YouTube and inside my art community, where I help you build confidence in your creativity at your own pace. Until next time, take things gently and create in a way that works for you.